This is, I can say, the one thing that has gotten me super excited about the 30 more years I have with teaching.
Everything that the Construct Foundation is part of and this Process Through School retool has really pressed on the adults around students demonstrating authentic learning.
So the design thinking process and working with Construct for me has been an enabler. It's been a door opener. It's allowed me to think, see things with fresh eyes, see problems with fresh eyes, and I've appreciated that it's been a multiplier for me on a number of fronts.
It's been one of the foundational trainings that I've been part of.
We're taught to go down certain paths, but with Breaker, like, it's in the name itself. You know, you break out of those habits, you break out of those traditions.